Wildcats, and welcome to Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. I have two pledgers from Miss Ortiz's second grade classroom, and their names are?
Ethan, Austin.
All right, so if you would please stand, place your hand over your heart, and join Ethan and Austin as we do our Pledge of Allegiance. We're going to stand, place our hand over our heart, and face the American flag that is in your classroom.
I pledge allegiance to Texas
To the flag of the United States of America,
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all. And now we're going to do the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence?
There's so many.
Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. If at any time you do not feel loved, respected, or safe, please find a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. If you are still standing, you may be seated. Today, on the 19th day of January, we do not have any birthdays, so happy birthday to you. We do have a lot of announcements. We have a lot of things going on this week. We'd also like to, our Campus Prose and Poetry Competition, thank you to all the participants. They were all amazing. All their videos are now up on our website. A huge thank you to the coaches, Mr. Lettner and Mrs. Norman, and of course to Miss Suquette, our school librarian, for all her hard work. Our winners were Sabrina M., Emma Jane A., and India C. Congratulations to those winners. Also, we announced on Friday that our district Spanish spelling bee was held at the district this past Friday, and out of 15 elementaries, our very own Giselle E. placed third, so congratulations to her. We do have COGAT testing for second graders this week. So the students will be testing in the computer labs, so that is today, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We also have kindergarten gifted and talented testing in the cafeteria. So because of that, students, we need to be sure that we're on our best behavior and that we are aware that we're having students coming in and out, and we also have students testing. Also, you can always join the Counselor Corner. There's a Google Classroom to visit the virtual rooms dedicated to Inauguration Day, which is tomorrow. So if you want to join the Counselor Corner Google Classroom, the code is ZHIJJOU. Our character education theme for the month of January is perseverance and courage. An ancient proverb on perseverance is fall 7 times, get up 8. So no matter how many times you fall, you have to get up and try again. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. And we hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday. Today is also National Popcorn Day, so if you get a chance, maybe you can go ahead and get some popcorn when you get home and enjoy your terrific Tuesday.